Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Karthik, and in today's video we are going to do this topic, which is number system. So basically, what is number system? Number system is when we use numbers for solving equation which is only based on numbers. I've already done most of the videos on number system only, but today's video is a little bit different. The questions which I'm going to do are very confusing, so I'll start with easier ones and then go to harder. So let's see. Our first question is, this is fifth root of 0.0000 and 1. We have to solve this. This is very easy. Don't just write the answer. All of you know that the answer will be 0.1, but don't write it straight away. Instead of it, show some solution. You can show it like 0.0000 and 1 to the power 1 by 5. 1 by 5 we will write, okay? And then next step you will write 0.1 to the power 5 to the power 1 by 5. So 5 and 1 by 5 will get cut. So our answer left will be 0.1. So you can see I have shown some steps instead of just writing the answer. Now our next question is this one. I'm gonna write it. It is very small. So let's see. 81 by 16. So friends, in this one question, we have to just simplify it to the last form it can get. So if you see, firstly make an arrow and just observe the question. You cannot divide this by this by this. Why? Because if you simplify it, the basis won't be same. Instead, you firstly divide both of these, then multiply. Okay, firstly I'll simplify. It will be 81 by 16 minus 3. Wait, we can write it as 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4 and 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4. And again minus 3 by 4 multiplied by, if you see, 25 can be written as 5 to the power 2 and 9 can be written as 3 to the power 2 minus 3 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 to the power minus 3. 5 by 2 to the power minus 3. It will remain the same. Now, in next step, what you will do? You will divide this and this. So this 4 will get cut by this one. No, firstly we will multiply both of these. And this square will be cut by this. Now, 3 by 2 whole power minus 3 into 5 by 3 whole power minus 3. Instead of this, just erase this power, make a curly bracket and cut these, multiply these, and whole power minus 3. See, these get cut. So 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 to the power minus 3. Minus 3 as simple. Now, if you see 5 by 2 to the power minus 3, 5 by 2 to the power minus 3 divided by 5 by 2 to the power minus 3. Now it will be, now if you minus these, since the bases are same, powers can be powers will be subtracted because the sign is minus. Plus 3. Why? Because minus 3 minus minus 3. So minus minus will become plus, and minus 3 plus 3. So it will be 5 by 2 to the power 0. And we know that any number to the power 0 is always 1. So our answer will be 1. 1 is our answer of this question. Now let's increase our difficulty and come to our next question. So friends, this question is a increased difficulty, but if you observe it very nicely, so you won't say it as difficult. This will be very easy question for you. See, you know, root of 1 is always 1, and root of 4 is always 2. 1 by 2 plus, it can be written as 0.01 to the root can be written as 0.1. So 0.1, if we remove this, so upon will be 10. So it will be 1 by 10 to the power minus 1. Okay, and minus 27 root. What is the 27 root? 27 root is 3. I mean cube root. 27 cube root is 3. And what will be left? 3 square will be left. Now 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 10 to the power minus 1 will be 10. 10 minus 3 square is 9. So it will be 1 by 2 plus 1, which is 3 by 2. So our answer of this question will be 3 by 2. Now we will once more increase our difficulty and come to our confusing questions, which are 3 numbers. So now in this question, sorry for disturbance. So in this question, we will increase our difficulty, and this one. This is confusing, and its answer will come like you also won't believe the answer, and you will just cut it and do it again and again, waste your time. Okay, so just trust yourself, and if you get the answer, just write it. So 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3, and the power was minus 5p into minus 5 upon p equals to 1 by 3 to the power p. Now again once more equals to 3 to the power minus 15 by p equals to 1 by 3 to the power p. Now 1 by 3 to the power minus 15 by p. Now why? Because the power was in negative power, so we will just reciprocal the number to make the power positive, equals to 1 by 3 to the power p. Now we know that the bases are same, so power will get equated. 15 by p equals to p. So I will make an arrow. 15 equals to p square. P square is 15. So what will be p? P equals to root of 15. So this is an answer like you also won't believe your own answer, and you will just get confused in it. So now we will come to our next questions, which are a little bit higher difficulty. Now over here, this is our second most difficult question, so I will mark it as star. This is star. Now 25 to the power x minus 1 divided by 5 to the power 2x minus 1 equals to p. What we have to find? We have to just find the value of p. So now we will start by simplifying it. 25 can be written as 5 square and x minus 1 as it is, divided by 5 to the power 2x minus 1 equals to p. Now next step, this will be multiplied by both of these. 2 will be multiplied by x and 2 will be multiplied by 1 also. So 5 to the power 2x minus 1 divided by 5 to the power 2x minus 2, it will be 2x minus 1 equals to p. Now next step, since the bases are same and the symbol between them is divide, so the power will get subtracted. 5 to the power 2x minus 2 minus 2x minus 1. Now I have written it in bracket, so you don't get confused. Just put it in bracket because this whole will get subtracted. If you do like this, not bracket, so your answer will get wrong. And now if you have to remove the bracket, you can remove it, but the symbols inside the bracket will get changed. So it was plus 2x, it will be minus 2x. It was minus 1, so this will be plus 1 equals to p. Now 2x minus 2x cut, but plus 1 and minus 2 will remain. 5 to the power minus 1 equal to p. So p will be 1 upon 5. Okay, so 1 upon 5, because the power was negative and to make it positive we will have to reciprocal the numbers. Okay, now we will come to our most difficult and the main question, means the most important question. Friends, this is the most important question. This is 5-star question and everyone is like struggling for this question, even the police. Okay, so I will solve it for you. Now you have to firstly simplify it as usual. 3 to the power 2x minus 1, but this will be 3 to the power 2x minus 2. Why? Because 9 can be written as 3 to the power 2. So it will be 3 to the power 2x minus 2 equals to 54. Now if I take common, I will take 3 to the power 2x minus 1 as common. So this is taken common. Now what will be left over here? Nothing. So we will write it as 1. Now if you see, so what will be left here? Here will be left 3 to the power minus 1. And what is 3 to the power minus 1? It is 1 by 3. 1 upon 3 equal to 50. We have to find the value of x. Through 3 to the power 2x minus 1 into, it will be 2 by 3. So I will send the 2 by 3 over here, equal to 54 into 3 divided by 2. This will be 27. 27 into 3, it will be 81. And what is 81? 81 is 3 to the power 4. It can also be written like 27 is 3 to the power 3 and 3 is 3 to the power 1. So 3 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 1 will be 3 to the power 4. I know that you haven't understood anything. 3 to the power 2x minus 1 equals to 3 to the power 4. Okay. Now, since bases are same, the powers can also be equated. Now 2x minus 1 equals to 4. 2x equals to 5. Why 5? Because this is minus 1. There when it will go, it will become plus 1. Okay. So now 2x equals to 5. So you know x equals to 5 upon 2. Value of our x is 5 upon 2. And this is a very confusing question. And I asked some of my friends also, they were also struggling in this question, and this came in their exams also. Okay friends, I see you in the next class, and till then, bye bye.